often victims of sexual predators who take advantage of the war. The sad story of the Nigerian girls kidnapped and abused by the Boko Haram comes to mind. I happen to have spent about 8 years fighting in the war. I'm a soldier. Please don't run away. Fighting in the war of liberation, fighting for the land and against social discrimination. I had to fight to rise through the ranks to become a commander and a trainer of combatants, mostly men. While fighting the enemy in our military camps, I was confronted by a different war, a war I had to fight against fellow comrades. Almost on a daily basis, I had to stand up against the abuse of female freedom fighters by male commanders who were above my military rank. It was a cause I dedicated my life towards, a cause for which I almost lost my life. My wartime experiences were an orientation to leadership from which I learned to be tough when confronted by soft challenges, and be cool and calm, and maybe soft when the going became rough, really tough. I learned to be calm in the midst of storms. Post-independence, I was fortunate to have been appointed into government at a tender age of 25. A privilege that was not afforded to many women gallant fighters. I rose through the ranks in government to the position of Vice President of the Republic. I also owe a lot of academic sojourn that I undertook while balancing equally important roles as a young wife, a mother, a cabinet minister, and at the tail end of it, a vice president.